Essential oils are so confusing. A couple years ago, my grandma got an iPad for Christmas, and she's a smart lady. But right away, having not used the internet much, it was confusing and overwhelming, and she was like, "What am I going to use this for?" But with the help of her grandchildren, she was she quickly got the hang of it. She was seeing things we were posting on social media, liking them, and even sharing things of her own. And now it's a really fun tool that we use to stay in contact. Um, Essential oils are the same way. Right away, they can seem confusing, but they don't have to be. I'm Katie. I'm a certified aromatherapist and co-founder of an essential oil company called Simply Earth. And we're on a mission to make using essential oils easy for everyone. So, a certified aromatherapist is someone who uses essential oils to promote wellness that's been trained on how to use them safely. That's why I created the Essential Oil Hero Course, which I'll tell you more about in a little bit. But to start, I'm going to share with you some easy ways to get started with using essential oils. My first tip for you is to forget about all the oils out there. There's so many with a lot of great uses, but that information is too overwhelming. So instead, first start by picking out some blends that interest you. So if you go to simplyearth.com, you can go under shop and then blends, and you'll see a bunch of different blends that are pre-formulated by certified aromatherapists to be safe and effective to get the results you want. So for example, if you have a cold, you can check out this Breathe Easy blend. Now you can see it. Defender is a blend that you can use to help keep you healthy. It'll boost your immune system. Citrus Burst is a super energizing blend filled with citrus essential oils. I love fruity smells, so I really like this one. Bug Fighter helps repel insects. So if you have a porch or something you like to sit on, you could use this oil there to help repel insects. Focus Blend will help keep you focused at work. And Happy Joys helps promote feelings of happiness and, of course, joy. We also have other blends to help you sleep, help you stay calm. Check out that page. Pick out a couple blends that interest you. You get free shipping on prices on any orders over $29. So you might want to pick out a couple. So that's my first tip. Don't think about essential oils. Just think about blends to start with. That will limit you to things that you can pick out the kind of uses you want. So my second tip on how to get started with essential oils is to buy a diffuser. This is a Simply Earth diffuser. The way it works is you fill it with water. Most diffusers have a line in them that will show you how high you should fill it with water. Distilled water will help it last longer, but you can use regular water. So all you do, I gotta find my water. There it is. So all you do is you fill it to the line with water, like so. And you can add 2 to 5 drops of the blend that you picked out. So I will pick out Citrus Burst because I'm feeling that citrus energy vibes. So I'll just add 2 drops to start with. And if I want it to smell a little bit stronger, I can go back and add more super easily. So then I put the lid on, like so. I plug it in and I turn it on, and pretty quickly the room smells citrusy and fresh. In the course, I will teach people how to the different kind of diffusers, and we'll also learn how to make our own diffuser blends. So once you picked out a few blends, started diffusing them, and decided, yeah, I really like essential oils, head to the course so you can learn how to make your own blend and learn more about diffusing. All right. Let me just check. All right, so some of the benefits of diffusing is that it makes your home smell great. It's toxin free. A lot of plugins or aerosol sprays are filled with artificial fragrances that aren't good for you. And these are all natural. They can also help kill germs in the air. Like I mentioned with Defender, if you diffuse this, it'll help kill germs out of the air. Another good benefit is breathing in some essential oils can help clear your nasal passages, and if you have a cold, help get out that congestion, like with our Breathe Easy blend. So those are some of the benefits of diffusing. I'm giving you 3 steps to get started with essential oils. The first one is to limit yourself to just looking at blends. The second one is to pick out a diffuser. We have some great ones at Simply Earth, but other places there's a lot of great diffusers out there. So the third step to getting started with essential oils is to find a certified aromatherapist you trust. So there's a lot of bloggers out there, essential oil users out there giving you a lot of different information, and that's where some of the confusion can come in. So find one person that you trust and follow, preferably someone who is a certified aromatherapist because they have been trained on using essential oils safely. So there are your 3 steps to getting started with essential oils. Pick out blends, get a diffuser, and find a certified aromatherapist that you can trust to teach you how to take the next steps in using them and making your own cleaning recipes, your own lip balm recipes. There's all sorts of different things you can use, and I am teach you how to do all those things in the Essential Oil Hero course. So once you've gotten started with essential oils, head to the course so you can learn the next steps on making your home toxin free. Thanks for watching.